In this video, I'll walk you through creating a project from start to finish. If you need any additional clarification, please view our help section at the top right of every page. If you want to find this video again, just visit the introduction part of the help section. This is the project dashboard, and this is the project assistant. It's available at the top of every page from within your project. You can check it at any time to view the status of your project's creation and view additional help videos on certain subjects. You can click on the main sections to view quick help tips. Now that you know where to find help in case you get lost, the first thing we'll do when we set up our project is to upload our plans. To upload plans, either click on the Upload Plans button, or if you're on a modern browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, just drag and drop your plans anywhere on the page. Uploading plans can be a time-consuming process, so please be patient. Currently, Threshold will only allow you to upload single-page PDF plans. That means that if your plans are in a group, you'll need to split them out into individual pages before uploading. To learn more about this process, view the help section. Most people upload architectural, structural, and MEP plans, but feel free to upload other types, as Threshold is a great way to store and view all your plans in the cloud. Once your plans have finished processing, go to Plan Management. You can go there by clicking the link on the bottom left, or use the navigation on the top right. This drop-down is on all the project tool pages, so it's a good idea to get accustomed to it. Now that our plans have finished processing, let's go to Plan Management. Plan Management is where you'll organize your plans into sets, give your plans trade descriptions, and align them to speed up the process of creating your project. Sets are how we define and segregate project plans. Each set will cover a portion of the project that you want to document. In most cases, a set will refer to a floor on your project. If you have a 4-story building, you'll want to create 4 sets, one for each floor. To cover areas outside of the building, you can create sets for things like pre-construction plans, site plans, and exterior elevations. In some cases, your plans may be too large to fit on a single page, and the architect or engineer may use a match line for an adjoining page. In this case, you'd want to create a set for each half. For example, you'd want to create one set named First Floor East and another named First Floor West. In my case, I've uploaded 4 plans which require 2 sets. The first is first floor, and the second is the second floor. After I've created my sets, I just drag and drop my plans to organize them. Now that I don't have any more plans to organize, I click on the set to add trade names to my plans. These are my first floor plans. I've got a structural plan and an architectural plan. I can specify which is which with this drop down here. You can only have one of each trade per floor, but you can have as many unspecified plans as you want. In order to align my plans, I need to have an architectural plan in the set. Alignment allows you to correct for things like offset margins in your plans. By default, we show you the architectural plan. If I click on the structural plan, I can see that it needs to be aligned. I can click and drag the plans to center them on my screen. Once I'm ready to align, I click the lock icon, move my plans, and then hit Save. You should do this for every plan in your set. Now that I've finished my plans, I can either go back and align the second floor, or just move on to Dynamic View. Dynamic View is where you'll organize your photos. Threshold organizes your photos by rooms. To create a room, just right-click on your plans. I'll create a room here for the mudroom, and here for the media room. When you create a room, you're creating it for the entire set. That means that if I view my structural plan, I can still see the rooms. To move between sets, use the drop-down here. Now we're on the second floor. You'll recall that I only aligned the first floor in plan management. Here's where alignment can really pay off. If I create a room here for the master bath, and then move over to the structural plan, you'll see that the room is in the wrong place. By aligning your plans in plan management, all of your rooms will be in their correct locations, regardless of whether the original plans were centered. After you've finished creating your rooms, it's time to upload some photos. Upload your photos in the exact same way you uploaded your plans. When they're finished, head back to Dynamic View. And now we're on to the final step of setting up your project, learning how to organize your photos. Just click and drag your photos onto your rooms. To organize more than one photo at a time, hit the checkboxes and you can move your photos as a group. That's the end of this help video. To learn how to upload photos with our mobile app or how to tag photos, visit the help section. If you need any additional help, contact us at support@383studio.com.